Welcome to the Thanksgiving edition of Open Mic. I'm Mark Murphy, CEO of Atlatl Software, joined today by Zac Cooper, Director of Sales. Zac, today we're going to do 5 things to be thankful for with CPQ technology. And I'll start us off with number 1. CPQ drives bottom line revenue. And when deployed properly across your organization, it directly results in bottom line growth. Why don't you take us to number 2?
I'm going to follow it up with top line growth. CPQ enables our sales reps to quote quickly, quote easily, and increase those quote quantities with higher conversion rates.
Great. Number 3?
I think it's standing out in the market. With CPQ, our sales team is able to respond to customer demands, driving that top line revenue.
Great. Number 4?
I'm going to go with recruiting, because CPQ helps us recruit the smartest and the most talented sales reps to help us drive our revenue goals.
Great.
What's number 5?
So I'll finish off with number 5 is your sales team will thank you. And they're going to be thankful for you giving them the digital tools they need to do their job. And salespeople want to execute sales and drive growth for the company. And CPQ is the technology to help drive that growth. To all our customers and prospects, we wish you a happy Thanksgiving. Reach out to us at atlatlsoftware.com.